The federal government says millions of low-income Americans need to prepare to cut back.
There's a big change coming to SNAP benefits.
Starting February for South Carolina and for 32 other states in March, millions will lose roughly $95 in additional monthly SNAP benefits.
This was always extra temporary help.
Stacey Dean, the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Undersecretary for Food and Nutrition, says the extra funds were part of a pandemic-era program that's now expiring. The decrease comes, however, as the national inflation rate remains high, especially for food.
Is there a concern that there's going to be a negative impact for a lot of families?
We've taken a lot of steps to try to help families with that.
Dean says the federal government already increased both SNAP and Social Security payments to combat rising consumer costs.
Making lots of additional investments in emergency food.
But Vince Hall with Feeding America says that's not enough.
We have transitioned from a pandemic crisis to a hunger crisis, and people who are working full time aren't able to afford rent, gasoline, electricity, and food.
He expects already long lines at food banks to grow.
Is going to create more problems in our mission of making sure that no one goes hungry.
To help, he's urging lawmakers to make permanent changes to SNAP in the upcoming Farm Bill.
Ultimately, Congress writes the rules.
USDA is encouraging families to prepare their budgets and apply for any other food assistance programs. In Washington, Raquel Martin.